Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll tell you about the latest feature of the Gemini that allows you to create your own music. So yes, it is correct that Gemini can now create your own music. You can define different types of sets and presets according to your preference. So let me show you how you can create music or a tone in Gemini. So in the Gemini, simply start a new chat. You can go to gemini.google.com to try this out. Go to a new chat, and in a new chat, go to the tools option, and from here choose this option, that is create music. Now once you have chosen this option, here are some of the pre-existing tracks like 8-bit, kawaii metal, forest bath, or afro pop as well. So you can choose from here. If you want to hear them, you can hear the track by clicking on
What
to
does
this play icon, and yes, all of these musics have been created by Gemini. So from here you can type in a prompt. So for example, like soothing banjo music, and then you can simply enter the prompt as well, and now it will try to create a 30-second track for you, and you can also determine the highs and lows and the pitch, or if you want to add any instrument, if you want any voice, the genre of the voice as well. So yeah, this is a fairly interesting experiment that you can try out by going to gemini.google.com. Do let us know in the comments what you created and if you enjoyed it or not. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead. If you like the content of this video, do make sure that you subscribe to us, and do subscribe to follow up with the next videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.